Everyone who wants to should be able to get on the waiting list for the COVID-19 vaccine in a matter of weeks. Good evening. I'm Angela Taylor.
Hey, everybody. I'm Russ Bowen. President Biden calling on states to make everyone eligible by May the 1st.
Our Capitol reporter, Michael Hyland, is live in Raleigh getting answers about what it will take to meet that deadline. Michael.
And there are a lot of people who are ready but waiting. We talked to people at this vaccination site here in Raleigh today who are excited to get their chance, but their family members had to wait out here in the car, unsure when their time is coming.
Yes, sir.
A shot at getting back to normal life. Adrienne Wyatt got her first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine Friday, but is waiting on the rest of her family to become eligible. What do you want to do together?
Go out in a restaurant and not wear a mask.
Kishore Kodapati has plans when his family can get vaccinated too.
We want to go for a vacation. I mean, it's been a while, and sitting inside home, you know, kids and everybody, it's really tough.
North Carolina is moving into the next stages of the vaccination process. The state is making the first part of Group 4 eligible next Wednesday. That includes people with high-risk medical conditions. On April 7th, the rest of Group 4 can start getting shots. That includes essential workers not yet vaccinated. President Joe Biden is now calling on states to make every other adult eligible to get on the waiting list by May 1st. I talked to Orange County spokesman Todd McGee about that.
By May 1, we'd certainly be able to start registering folks. I can't tell you for certain we would be through everybody who's in, groups 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have about 20,000 names on our waiting list.
Even though people could sign up, it could take time to actually get shots to them. McGee says the supply needs to increase and they need more people to administer shots. The Biden administration anticipates having enough doses for every adult by the end of May. The State Department of Health and Human Services says North Carolina is on track to meet President Biden's May 1st eligibility goal, and some counties are moving through the vaccination groups faster than others. The state got initial doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine earlier this month, but officials don't expect supply of that to increase again until early April. The federal government's mass vaccination site in Greensboro is also helping the state to move through these groups. The Biden administration plans to double the number of those sites, but it's not clear if any more of them are going to be in North Carolina. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.